little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. What are we drawing? A beautiful princess dress fit for a royal ball. Are you ready to unleash your inner princess? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers because we're about to create a dress that's worthy of a fairy tale. Let's sketch and color a magnificent princess gown together. Imagine the most elegant princess dress in your mind. Now, let's bring it to life. Start by drawing the top part of the dress, with curves and lines fit for royalty. Now, let's add the lower part of the dress, flowing gracefully from the waist down. And for a touch of sweetness, let's decorate it with heart shapes, because every princess deserves a little love.
Wow!
Our princess dress is taking shape, but let's make those outlines bold and sharp to make it truly stand out. Now, let's add a burst of color to our regal gown. Are you ready to name some royal hues? Light pink color. Red pink color. Purple color. Blue color. Another shade of blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Magenta color. Light green color. But wait, the top part of the dress needs some extra sparkle. Let's use a black marker to create dot patterns, adding a touch of magic and elegance. Well done, my little artist! Our princess dress is now fit for a royal ball. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep shining, and have a fairy tale time with your art. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.